Hi, and welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Tila.
And I'm Stanton.
And if you're new to our channel, thanks for checking us out. And if you're returning, thanks for the support.
What we do on this channel is we take you through crafting and DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect, because
love isn't perfect. We have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we need your help.
Would you consider subscribing to the channel? We post new videos every Saturday.
And in today's video, we will be sublimating on toilet paper.
Our goal is to turn this
into this.
Now, this is a great decor idea for any time of the year.
You can show your support for the channel by liking,
commenting,
and subscribing.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting. Okay, so everything that we need for this project is going to be butcher paper, toilet paper, and our design. Ours is super cute and it's gonna say tinkle all the way. So I think it's gonna be a great addition. I'm really excited about this because we are hosting a Christmas Eve party for Christmas, and so this will be a nice touch to put into the bathroom. And I think we're gonna do more than one, and I'm going to have it decorating the bathroom, so it's gonna be really cute. First things first, I printed this out using Cricut. I uploaded the design. You are sublimating, so you need to remember to mirror it. You can cut this out, but just to avoid possibly having any press lines, what we're gonna do is we're going to rip this so that it's not crisp edges. And then what we're going to go ahead and do also is we're gonna make sure that we adjust the pressure on our heat press so it's not super tight. I'm gonna hold it. And so you are just going to rip. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, next thing we wanna do is we want to protect our heat press just in case anything. Okay, so our heat press is set to 350 degrees and we are going to press for 30 seconds. So we're gonna get our toilet paper, and here's the time-old debate. Do you have it where you're pulling it under or over? I personally am in the minority and I like it to be under. Stanton, I believe you like it over, don't you?
No, I think it's the exact opposite. I like it under, you like it over.
No, I'm absolutely positive how I like my toilet paper. I like to be able to pull it from the bottom under. And every time you put on the toilet paper, I'm pretty sure I have to go back and flip it because of my OCD-ness. But anyways, so I want the image to be right here, but be aware of how you're putting your image on your toilet paper, depending on your preference. So we have our tinkle all the way. We're going to push it on here. And from here, I'm going to just try to press this down nicely.
I would just flatten the rolls that way. Roll's gonna get flattened when you press anyway.
So we're gonna pre-flatten it, which is fine because we're gonna be able to reshape it in a minute. So we're gonna put that down and we're gonna press go. Now you do need to hold this pretty hard, I guess, or you're gonna have to hold it. Your heat press is not going to close on its own, obviously, because this is very fat. All right, let's see how it turned out. It's a little faded, which I don't like. And I think that has something to do with our time and maybe our temp. So let's up it and do it again and see what happens. Since I wasn't happy with the results, we're gonna do it again. So here we go. Design toilet paper, and let's go.
So to change it, we just increase the temperature by 20 degrees and increase the time by 15 seconds. So.
Yeah, 20. We changed it to 375 degrees, and we did it at 45 seconds. So let's see how this goes. Guys, I'm gonna let you know that was like a workout for my arms, like serious workout. All right, remember, be careful because this is hot. There it is.
And now you can fluff back up the roll.
Yep, look how easy that was. And there you go. And now here's the thing. Stanton and I were trying to figure out, is it just gonna be on this top layer or not? I thought it was only gonna be on this top layer. He thinks it's going to go ahead and be all the way through. So let's take a look. And he was right.
Every layer gets a little bit more faded, but you know, it goes through the layers. Eventually fades out, but that'll be good for a few uses depending on how
much someone uses of the toilet paper.
Yeah, or how busy your bathroom is, I guess.
True point. Okay, I just wanted to try something. We do have this sublimating coating to see if we can get the colors to be just a little bit brighter. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna spray it on here and see how it goes. Again, 375 for 45 seconds. And the reveal. Remember, this is really hot. What do you think?
Oh, it looks about the same.
Yeah. Probably. Yeah, you're probably right.
You're gonna see if it goes through more layers?
Sure, why not? Let's see. One, two, and that's pretty much gone. I think that was about the same
About
amount.
the same.
Yeah.
I almost want to say it's less.
Yeah, I don't think it made much of a difference. So it turns out using the sublimation spray really didn't make a difference, and it didn't go through more layers. It went through 7 without the sublimation spray and 5 with the sublimation spray. So no sublimation spray.
Thanks for watching, and remember, love is crafting.